Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
What there's no know what team bring the call Europe. What they say they're going to support retarded ashawo, retarded prostitutes. Say because say ashawo won't give them 50 euro. They choose to keep our heritage aside. It's high time we bring them to the hall of shame. I come out categorically clear as an innocent man. Now me first fight monkey face. All these idiots they did for corner, they do kokobiri, they do waiting up concern them. But I was there. History will vindicate me. Nigeria was will vindicate me. Untouchable Mama, the records are there. And Omofuma was always there fighting against monkey face. But all of una they fight for stomach infrastructure. What now go shop? What now go shop? But me as an innocent man, I come out to tell and say, una be idiots, una be stupid people. You, Ibizugbe, Johnny Ibizugbe, you be idiots. For what Monica do, you know if you come and come talk put, you be idiot. You be big idiot. You be shame and disgrace. Wherever you do, you be shame and disgrace. What do they call it? Efehi bad, you be big disgrace. For your battle you were yesterday. Why I look you? I just say laugh. I dey walk. As they look, well, this idiot what they call Efehi bad, which they will get sense. He go talk say he fuck this person wife, he fuck that person wife. The other day he go England, Mama B give her 50 euro, $50 pounds. He say fuck Mama B. Efehi bright, you've lost it all. You're not important. You've lost it all. You're not. Nobody will take you serious. Nobody except idiots. No serious person will take you serious. You don't get her. You don't just get. You are not near there. I'm angry with idiots like you. That's why I say even though I work, tomorrow and Saturday I'm supposed to go work. Even if it take me not to go work, I must tell them and fuck up. I'm not too stupid. I'm not too useless to go with that ear key. One set. Say now no go project to us. When they crazy, I feel better. Johnny Ibizugbe, when they mad, I will come. I say I will come. I cut on raw. I'm not a fear now. Make una bring una best bullet. My chest go chest her. I mean I will give una my miser equally. I ready for now. Gonna be idiot. Truth will prevail. On this serious level day, we go soon the talk truth. We will soon the talk truth. As no one can lie to us to make truth come become lies. You go here Agbada, go here bid. They celebrate Iyeki. What did Iyeki teach you? What did that Iyeki don't teach? Which knowledge he impart to don't use? Which legacy she dey leave behind? Afiekodi, Kokobai. Women with their husband made they fuck. With their husband not they made they choke. Idiot. Efehi bright. You be useless man. You and Ilele Care talk show. We must bring una down with truth. Una be idiots. Una be fools. Now what I say, I tell the word. Ilele Care talk show and Efehi bright. We say be you hear the talk show. Una be fools. Una be fools. I come out ready for una today. No, sometimes I'll come back or I say I know we'll do video. Overbam they worry me. But I want to una say una be fools. Idiotic dope men where they can't be lazy men. Because of Monica 50 euro. Not fit talk truth. Because they want to donate for now. Not fit work with their hand. They wait for YouTube. Press the like. Whatever. According to my brother Titi. press the quotation there. Now I call the look. Now look for your wait. Now that place don't work out shop. All of na sell na soul to Satan. Monica go be the demon. Na go sell na soul to Satan. Monica the Satan. No one become an evil gang. We don't know now. Efehi bright. Ibizugbe we know now to be evil gang. That one where we lost 4 children. Already Mama Triple J. We go take picture with the pikin. Call sample say they don't arrive. But the pikin don't big passer. Were you dare to bring that pikin to grow like that? You were not there. You were busy buying computer for your keke. Busy fucking your keke there for your matrimonial home. Your children saw you fucking on that man inside your home. You be idiot, Ivy. What else you want me to tell you? I've told you virtually all. Nothing I have to tell you. But I said I come remind you. Una history not good. Even I want me to play on audio Monica. Whatever, I will play, but I don't want to play. Because I want talker as it be, raw. I know una history. So I don't feel the play audio. I will turn her straight on my head. I'll be moving encyclopedia. I know everything I don't do. Monica, if your story dey my palm. Yeah, your story dey my palm. So I don't need to play audio. I'll just tell you as it be, raw. Una too idiotic, too stupid. Una be disgrace to those. Una be disgrace. Omilaki say one can fight Monica, say Monica that one what they call spirit God sent. Or spirit devil sent. Sorry. Who called that one spirit God sent? That one a spirit devil satanic sent from the pit of hell. He call. Come they try to coerce Omilaki, which Omilaki should have stood her ground to talk her raw as it be. Maybe I call Commander Omilaki. Thank you for saying the truth. I made a post Omilaki. For once you could have been on the lane of truth, but today you lose them all. Seriously, you lose them all. Because me, I know they wait for substandard. If you could have done it well, me I will come and come praise you, but you did it substandardly. That idiotic spirit devil sent will call you. Now Monica Senna, she's an agent of the pit of hell. She's been condemned. Her soul is condemned. Monica's soul is condemned. That's why Monica is trying to bring people along to be condemned with her. Monica is condemned. Ambrose have lost it all. Ambrose, Ajala have lost it all. They are all condemned. Seriously. They don't have anything to inherit in the kingdom of God. They just want to seek and devour as much as they can devour on earth. And some fools are tallying with their stupid mentalism and their stupid ideology. Idiot like Ivie. Let me discuss about Ivie briefly. Ivie first stand for genocide that year. Very crazy, so very, very emotional about genocide. If you talk about genocide, if you will come out, you want to chop your head. If you fight Monica that year. But we saw something wrong with genocide. We still criticize. If you go come out, you go come out. If genocide they do broadcast that time, go say if you never pay your monthly due, you never pay your salvation, whatever. But the same if you came out with a passion, come tell us that genocide is not good. We know the history now. We be the Odunga for this social media. We know everything. We know everything. The same if you now come they insult genocide. Before we know it, if you go tally with Eddie Murphy. Before we know it, if you call Eddie Murphy the god of the god, but something happened. If you call Eddie Murphy a disaster, then he can't say he can't go look around. When he veered there with genocide that year, they fight Monica like there was no tomorrow. But you know say guess sister that year, Ivie is so very confused. Ivie, make her analyze Ivie's story. Ivie is so confused. She doesn't know what she is doing. They tell her say she dey go work. If they go work, Ivie, what have you done with your work in your 24 or 25 years in Europe? 24, 25 years, you don't have a regular permit in Austria, but you choose to donate pennies. They buy pennies. They buy a laptop. Ivie, you are a disaster. Anybody that what is on yours will not even take you serious. Even Monica, no say you are just clinging to Monica. Monica no say you are not a serious person. So cling to Monica, but Monica is the sweat. When Monica go down, you will go down because you not get anywhere you will cling to anymore. Monica is going down, and you will fall with Monica. You're going to fall with Monica. Seriously, you're going to fall with Monica. Because Monica will not stand the test of time. Truth will prevail. Truth will always prevail over Monica. Because Monica is an epitome of lies, fake life, everything deceit. AliExpress, fake life, they fool now. Monica will buy AliExpress €1, go sell it for you 2,000 euros. Then what do they do to you, Ivie? Monica will buy AliExpress €1, go sell it to you 2,000 euros because you not fit get sense. You are very stupid. You are too stupid, Ivie. You are too stupid. You don't have a life. Your life is as worthless as the tissue that is in my toilet right now. That's what your life is. You are too worthless. You are too worthless. I see you, Agnes, Teresa. You can take time, greet my people. I just did somewhere. I make I play. Or I may I leave music off bloggers who go take care, make it not disturb later. Ivie is so worthless. So worthless. And This man they call Ambrose. Ambrose Ajala, another demonic, satanic person from the pit of hell. Very satanic. Very, very satanic. He's a pimp. Ambrose Ajala is a pimp. Ambrose Ajala use Monica as an escort. Ambrose Ajala is not a man that is what it takes for a man to call himself to be a man. Ambrose Ajala is a pimp, a naturally born pimp. Ambrose Ajala, they derive Joel to send a wife to go fuck men, and they give her money. That's what pimp does. That's what pimp does. So, Ambrose Ajala, you're not worthy to be a man. I want that those kind of people, they celebrate you to say you be man. You be idiot, you are very stupid. You're not a man. You're not a man any day, anytime. You don't have what it takes to be a man. You don't have the quality, the vibrancy, and what it takes, or rather, summarize it in any which way you want to summarize it, or understand the ability of how they push out to you. You don't know what it takes to be a man. You are a pimp. You enjoy pushing your wife to people to fuck because your penis don't die. Ambrose Ajala, your dick is dead. Fucking dead. We heard this story from the native doctor that time. That the whole thing they show. It's so glaring. Ambrose Ajala, you are a dead man. You go there for Monica will commit evil. You go there for a bad guy. You go there, your stupid voice go there. If I see you, Ambrose Ajala, the slapper will slap you. Bam! I will slap your face. Those are your two dreadlock. I will come out for your head. I'll come out for your head. Those are your two dread. I will come out for your head. Because you be shame. You be evil to some. You know what to even call anything near you. You be epitome of evil. I want to share this thing. And the best for this idiotic people. Idiotic people. Very idiotic people. Very stupid people. So angry about it. And these people really, what the Ambrose, we're having a bigger threat. The Hausa Fulani. The Fulani are coming to invade our town. You see that they encourage Monica. Maybe they create no nuisance. Because if you created some stupid studio for her, you're not saying the best. Thank God say other people don't come, beat her. Thank God so that people don't come beat your stupid studio. You thought you were the best, whatever, the best computer whiskey. Thank God say people don't come equate what you thought was not attainable. What you thought was the best you want to do for your stupid Monica. People don't beat her. That's your stupid studio you did for UK. Do for her. People don't beat her. But I know why I quit that studio. But I must pass my message across. You are very stupid, Ambrose. You've never done anything so spectacular. What you've done, because you do it for Iyeki, 1 cent, we're supposed to be saloon market tomato seller. He takes in gold and silver. Now you do for her. But you know say you did. In short, you know say you don't destroy her life because you refuse to work. You not work. All you care for now to smoke igbo, smoke chop oil food, chop pepper food, not to work as a man. Everybody go work, but you choose not to work. Make you dey as the arrange computer for your wife to do live video. You are very stupid. My wife go work come. Me I go work come. All of us dey work. Idiotic Yeye Ambrose, the pimp. You be pimp. You be. Now the craze of Monica Ambrose Ajala. No, the truth must be told. When I come hack. I was a talker. I told her before I go out the singer. Ambrose Ajala, you be pimp. You a pimp. You use your wife as a pimp. When very soon you use your daughters as pimp equally because you know one work. You go use your daughters as pimp. You go hawk your daughters for men to fuck when you collect money. Very soon. I want to tell you, Ambrose, because you be idiotic man. Very soon, Ambrose go use his children. Government will take those children from Ambrose. Government will take the children from Monica. Very soon, Ambrose will be hawking his children as pimps, as a prostitute, because Ambrose is a born natural pimp. Where if they use the wife as an escort, they enjoy the fun. They enjoy the fun. There was an audio ahead. He told everyone like, "Hey, this thing was done between us. Nobody did there before. The records are there. Ambrose, you be pimp. You be pimp. Your wife, you use her like you use your wife as an escort. You go soon use your children as an escort very soon, Ambrose. That's what I'm telling you. If all this thing you they do you cannot put yourself to order, very soon you will use your children will get 1,000 or whatever votes in UK, in Belfast, that they should investigate the family of Ajala family in UK. They're going to investigate because your pikin don't first shop for supermarket say you disturb their life. The whole things are on tape. The whole things they on tape. Your children don't first confess say you disturb their life. Mama, stop! You're disturbing us. It's on tape. It's on tape. It's recorded worldwide. Very soon, we will know what they do to those children, whether they use them as slave, sex, whatever that home, we will know. Because the talk say, like we heard, native doctor tell us say, they fuck together. Ambrose will bring another girl, make it come fuck Monica, make in a fuck two of them together. Whether he not see again, if they use one of his daughter, we will know. We will know very soon. We will know because we are sick and tired of Monica artisans of this cyberspace. We are sick and tired. We are really sick and tired because there's nothing that will make a reasonable person to think twice to put himself to order. You will tell us this what they do, it's not good. You go come out with the chester. There's something really wrong in that family. There's something really wrong in that Ambrose family. There's something wrong. We are not saying, but it's beyond the eyes. Seriously. Now make me say make I talk with Monica. Because Monica say he don't take a pikin, J-boy as a blood money. That is a slap in the first place. But that idiotic Ambrose not think twice. How can Ambrose, you're not a man. If I see you, I don't beat you. You're not a man. I'm angry with you. My wife cannot come on air. Don't tell me say my pikin na blood money. So annoying. So annoying. I dey vex for Ambrose. If I see Ambrose, I go die veteran. So that being said, Omilakim, you be want do something good, but you not do am. You not do am because of spirit devil sent. You never did it. You didn't do it. I say I go take my time, even if I wake 1 o'clock, go work. But I must address the full nation, address the full those in diaspora. People like Omilakim wanted to make the difference, but spirit devil sent is a pathetic, devilish, evil person. That spirit devil sent an evil person. She there for background. Nobody will see him, but she be evil. The call. I never call you before. I just want call. Not talk. Omilakim that we never saw came out to try to make the difference because it's about our heritage, it's about our culture, it's about our tradition. Monica, we don't know he left, or rather her left from her right, with his stupid husband. We don't know, I don't know those kind of people. I refuse to know this kind of husband and wife. These are the kind of dejected people I will never want to know. If I see Monica any day, anytime, I see Monica for airport, I go die for that Monica. I see Ambrose, I will collect Ambrose dreads. Those are 2 dreads I will pull like more for head. I promise her. Like I told you now, I know her, rich house. I'll be full man to the core. Full-blooded man to the core. I know rich house. Ambrose, don't you tell Ekboma. They go tell me so you tell Ekboma. Because you don't to fuck Esa people in this Europe. Not be say Shube, not be my mind. You fuck Esa people in this Europe. For you to be the husband of Monica, you know people Monica to order. You be fuck up, you be disgrace. I stand with Esa agenda. I still remain supreme. I be the man of Esa agenda. But I want digress to come to una problem because una problem they smell, they ooze. Now make me say make I talk put because I hate double standard people. I hate evil people with this. You go see person where they do bad. Una no fit talk because it be your friend. You go say, okay, make you hide that for corner. If this one not be your friend, you do bad, you say me you blame. And what I hate double standard people. If anybody hurts you, be principled, be a very reasonable and standard person. Tell them, say, this thing, you don't like her. And you have that yardstick to judge whatever you want judge. Your judgment remain, they will know you for that. But Benin people, some of them, people like Mama Boyi, people like Ivie, people like whatever, spirit devil said. If now this girl do now, what do they call her? What is her name? Somebody should write it. What is her name? Like I said, the comment don't. I always say not celebrate her birthday. We say be wish. Maybe those. Make I use this medium to address you. Maybe those. Stop seeking for attention. Stop seeking for attention. If they want to celebrate you, they will celebrate you. Not come on echo, they beg. You know, they not celebrate your birthday. They don't celebrate you. Make people come give you title. Sometimes you know say I don't tell you say you're not stable. Now what I still believe your statements are not really stable because to my understanding, your statements are not stable to me. Your statements seriously to me they are not stable. I just want to be very, very objective and very, very. Because I not say you not do worse past Monica, but sometimes your statements. I want to check the volume. Oop. Come on, Mama. The volume dey low. Now they hear me since. Now where's the volume for the tablet? Use the earpiece for that side. No put me see. Jenny Jasper at all. Ever say they talk in the here? Well, you wait and say una belle. Put am for earpiece. So, I now they check the system. It is well, it is okay. But quickly, I not go relent. Today, I promise myself, say, I go wash those idiotic those who don't know what they are onions. When they say they just believe they call Europe. They don't want to understand. Say Europe not be a bed of roses. You have to work and project positive and ideas. We go make generation unborn go look us after we don't go. Say yes, we did well. Let me say one day they will say you support good. One day they say you support bad. One day they say you support. No, that's what I project this broadcast perfectly to Efehi Bright and Johnny Ibizugbe. The day when I choose to die with Monica, they will lose my reputation. Now they will lose everything. Now they will lose all it takes to be people where person go respect for this earth. Make Monica give una evil money. Monica don't cost soap give una. Monica don't go back for mortuary. That's why a lot of people they fall down. Because if not, I not see what she they give una. And also this is teach una. He doesn't teach her to make money, just to make noise on Facebook. I don't see what she has done at worst spectacularly that has made you to be a better person out of what you have been before now. Because of self-low esteem, because of poverty-stricken ideas that you have inside you, people like Mama Boyi, where I chop a document for Nigeria, where don't turn to 95 years old woman, where they Nigeria, we call cry, they call donate money giver. Since then she said her soul to Satan. Mama Boyi don't the satanic GPC gang. Mama Boyi did for occultic a bondage today. He not redeem herself. He cannot redeem herself. You see, no, they move. They don't block her. It's not moving. Before now, they gave viewers, they don't block her. If you can hear me, let's write something. Make I know. Because this GPC with a collaboration of Ambrose husband with the bush dog for America, they be evil people. So if they fit, they can stop the broadcast. I don't know. They've hacked the men that speak the truth, speaking it, talking it raw. So media president Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy, I greet you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. President Viero, I greet you. African, our Edo voice of truth in Senegal, I greet you. People they talk truth, Mama B, I greet you. All those that stand for truth, I greet all of you now. Mama B, Edo voice of truth in Senegal, I greet you now. Ivie Rio, I greet you. Esther Talk Show, I greet you. People they talk truth to, make I greet all of you now. All people they talk truth for this Facebook. Not be fake people where they just say their soul to devil. Mama Iye Tete, that one, the heater. She did try. Untouchable Mama, I greet you. You talk truth. Iye Tete, Untouchable Mama, Mama Joy. Though we fight for politics that year, what I can't understand, say politics don't go. I greet you, I salute your government this time around for your truth. I salute your government this time around for the truth you stand for. I salute your government because truth, not go winner. There's no time for bias, whatever. Truth must always get the order of the day. Truth, now truth will take winner. People that stand for truth. But it's so painful. Where the people they call them Ajebo, they not fit come answer when they say they be ambassador. Ajebo, where you dey? I gotta see your picture, you dey pose. You dey pose. Now work on the pose. Boy, wake up, Ajebo. Come and talk. Talk truth. Don't sell your soul to Satan. Talk truth for this thing where Monica talk. Or bad artifice. I want to see your loyalty, where you stand. You must come out. You have to come out. Not cause they same picture. You got the pose. We don't wear face cap. If we've been there, we've done that. I don't want to show. I don't want to show treasure. And that first time I say, I'm Omofuma, not get house, not get house. I will do video for sweets because my passion I just to do video. But today, I dey do it for us now. What do I want to talk again? Yeah, people. When I get house, many of them never come up for, or they never come up for Nigeria to enter Agadez, to even enter Libya, to come cross. So we know they compete. Do your race. Me, I will do my race. My race, though, I don't beat you. I don't beat many of them. Far. The space what I live in will not be today. It's not today. Not be today. So we know they compete. I not get time to compete with now. I've said it all, like I've said, we must stand for truth. When we like him, that spirit devil said, what you suffer that for. With that passion, where you take come out. Even though Miredos don't gawk, me I know say Miredo they gawk. Miredo they know a bad person to celebrate person. Not be so you can come out. Because they ask who they not celebrate you. What you don't do because of a special hair. Miredo, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You don't first curse me before. Now if I look you, I observe you. You're not stable. Be stable. Then if you're stable, I will tell you say you're stable. But for the now, you're not stable, Miredos. You are not stable. You are seriously not stable. Let me tell you. You are not stable. If you're stable, you're going to do video with the waka go walk. You're going to do video, they talk, do video. When you don't close for work, they do it for street. I'm going to say they go walk, they do video. Your neck will call long. Your vein for your neck will be show. You're not stable. We can educate you. You don't feel insult me before because I tell you say you're not stable. One day you will curse Eddie Murphy. The other day you go say you love Eddie Murphy. The other day you curse this person. The other day you say you love her. We don't know where you belong to. You have to be stable. Focus on one thing. You come out now. Where you go throw mat go. They can't curse you. Which I know you don't now me go deliver for that. But the way they curse you, now somebody take curse you, that person will still do the same thing you do. Because you're not stable, my adult. Seriously, you're not stable. I must tell you the part, you're not stable. Now you go call the black people, call the talk, they're not praise, they're not wish you happy birthday. What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Must you come ahead to call people, they're not wish you happy birthday? Because many of them are depressed, seriously. Many of them, the persecution want to do. it's not helping meaningful now. Seriously. Because when I think so, when I get wisdom, who will not celebrate you, let it be. Get a better things to do by yourself. Don't come here. You pay me when you come and say nobody celebrate you. The more you call God celebrate you, then Mama B call celebrate you. I just look and laugh. I said, this way. What I want to speak on that. If nobody celebrate you, not come on air call a question nobody. Do things so they will celebrate you. Are you stupid, Miredus? Are you crazy? You see, the other day come and say, Omofuma, you go drink. Ogun will kill you. You will don't if you're not able to drink, say you are depressed. Your story there for how you many things you are not just even it. Let me be very frank with you. Be very cognitive of what the words you bring out on social media. Myriados, you fuck up too much. You fuck up the smell yaga. They not celebrate you. Now you call they cry for, they trek, you can't sit down for road. What you wish, what you they teach our people? Sure, yet on board. You know if you go drive to school, make you drive, go your work. Enter your work, you check. They tell people so you get a good mentality to impart on them. You go at once, you go enter bus. As Mama B they do. Mama B they go work, you go enter bus. You go trek from house, they do live video, go reach your work. Then you want to teach us so you get wisdom. You get house. Because you get house for Belgium, they will celebrate you because you create a special hair. But I don't know whether you creator for your mother. Yes, that you creator. But I don't know. Will come down when they want to celebrate you. Prostitution hair. We not get African hair. What do you put to our hair where our women they play before? What do you create extraordinarily? They reduce. Where you got the first people to celebrate you by fire, by thunder. They must celebrate you. There's something wrong with you. I come out to tell you categorically clear. There's something very wrong with you. You're not getting it. You have to go for therapy. Meridos, go for therapy. Not come on echo, they cry, they're not celebrating. They will give you you don't make mouth go talk, go meet where you're not supposed to talk, go. Now you talk. No, look what you talk. Not my mouth you go hear her. They not recognize you. Who are you to be recognized? Because you give people 50 euros, then they will recognize you. Just go and sleep. Go and sleep. I don't want to insult you. I just hope you will get it positively and rearrange yourself and come out in a better form. I not condemn you. I like you, but I hate your attitude. I hate the way they address issue. That's what I hate about you, because your attitude of addressing issues is so childish. You come out, nobody celebrate you for birthday. Like the other day, and they wonder the person not celebrate you. What's your live your life and let it go. Move on. When you do something spectacular, they will celebrate you. You came out because they insult all of those. They are not celebrating you. Now you good pass. Those, not because of you, but if you let me put topic on your head, it's not going to be good. I think I've been able to pass across those. I not get beef with you seriously, but I want to educate you because I know say seriously there's something not really right with you. Like Guname, they talk to you, Dr. Guname, my good friend. I've seen where they talk to you. I don't want to just cast the hotness of whatever you said. I want to look and say there's something wrong. But if you insist, you continue on that lane, I will unleash on you. Because your mouth, once we unleash on you, you go enter house. Seriously, once me I begin to take you, unleash on you. There are people I don't want to take as topic. People like that long mouth waiting for room. Where they say na Monica agent. Where she rant from nothing next year. I know call her name for my mouth again. That one waiting for room. Where they call her. Where say they hook up. Where mouth be like a beak. We don't old. Where they call my sister do voice for Nigeria for Senegal. That one matter. Even when I see that one for video, she's so ugly. He don't old past 70 years old man. All the dejected fools. When Monica first they get momentum, those people she refused to associate with, Those kind of people not can't join anybody, because if you know Monica that year, Monica will tell you, say, those people come from camp. He no one know get anything about it. They're not good. They not get anything good to offer. Because I can't look. What's it make this woman? Now, she and Ambrose was using one girl as a sex toy that came from a we don't get document. Monica is a manipulator. Monica is psychotic. Monica is a, look at all the dirty names in the book. She's a manipulator. She's psychotic. I think she has a PSTD syndrome. She's a trauma syndrome, whatever. I don't know what her problem is, but she's not. Monica is not okay. Monica is just trying to get momentum to get above one day at a time, but she's not okay. She's not okay. Now those are foolish followers. Never know say that they are what they call yeki 1 cent. 1 cent. Not people call that money for my man. All of them is sick. These people are sick because of a trauma. The way they used to get money before. Our kingdom put a closed door to that avenue. They couldn't get themselves back. Most of them have been demonized. They decided to come and say, if I cannot get it, let everything spoil. Not the day. Monica is an ally to Monkey Face, directly or indirectly. Because for the words they come out from her mouth, you go not say this woman, she's really aggrieved. And so much of her followers are aggrieved as well. They are aggrieved. Very, very much aggrieved. Since this Monkey Face, they make mouth to our great kingdom. Have you ever heard Monica come and do one video? But now me and Omofuma, that year, 4 years ago, I called Monica. Monica, you have a broader platform. Use your platform, fight Monkey Face. I know you record, but if not, I will play the audio. But if I not do that thing, may the word of God take my soul. Make I not wake up tomorrow morning. If I not call Monica, then say, Monica, use your platform to fight Monkey Face. I don't record person. If you say the record person for record Monica, I called Monica actually Dopolo. If I never did, make I not wake up tomorrow morning. I called Monica. Use your platform to fight this Monkey Face. Monica say no Kosana. He said no Kosana. That was what she told me. Monica, use your first pikin. They swear. Say if Andromorpha not call you, use your first daughter. Swear. Say if I not call you, say fight Monkey Face with your platform. But you said it's not your business. That's why they take man meet our kingdom. Then if I lie for you, make anything I can't get for you, make I not get her. Anything I can't get sick for you, in all my life in Europe, make I not get her. I say you want to deceive our people. Lies. I called you. Use your platform to fight Monkey Face. Monkey Face is going somewhere. You say it's none of your business. Now you can't bring man to our kingdom. Anybody that will condemn you right now, we're going to put that person in the hell of shame. Anybody that cannot condemn you. I never recorded it, but I speak them out. God is my witness. If there be a God, let that God strike me dead for me not to wake up. If I lie on your head, Monica. If I ever lie on your head, let that God strike me dead not to wake up. And nothing I do will ever succeed for this world where I come. If I lie on you. Because you are so evil. You are filled with evil. So I'm waiting for una reply. The stupid Ibizugbe and whatever they call Efehi bites. No don't fail. To the best of my knowledge, no don't fail. Who are they follow an evil person? Who they give a fake title? Who they help with some more coins for birthday, for whatever? Na fake, na destruction. You be like someone join Ogboni society, whatever society, you sold your soul to the Satan, to the devil. Nothing good will come out of it. So I'm done. Have a nice night. I will go work tomorrow. I will work on Saturday. I will wait for free money for YouTube. I don't pass my message across. I don't pass my message across. Who get ear, make it hear. Who deaf, make it deaf. People like Efehi Bright and people like Monica and whatever. Make una deaf, no hear this message. Monica, you remain enemy. You be enemy to the land. If you need na enemy. May Omila King have the boldness to tell you, say, delete that video. So I still want to put her under benefit of that for the now. Because she come out to do one. But Spirit Devil said that one is number one enemy. That one, once we cash her, now only God knows what we will do with her. I'm done.